But the first, the first, the first 10 seconds or so of my phone doesn't record. Weird. I'm going to take it in. I don't know what's going on with it. Hopefully you can hear me. And here's my first run through on Rock and Roll Band Boston. So it's not nowhere perfect. I think I'm just searching for the tone to see if that's even doable. It was, Tom Schultz. Guy was a genius. And, so it's dang near impossible to recreate his tone. Some people can do it. I haven't figured it out yet. And, but let's take a look at it, listen. I think the bass, there's a lot of bass movement going on with this song, which is going to be critical to make up for my deficiencies. And so let me strap on here. You guys take a listen to this tone. And again, don't mind the playing necessarily. It's not quite there yet, but hopefully we'll get the idea. Get her plug in first. Okay. Dang, it's bright. So tell me what you think of the tone. Yeah, I know there was some silly mistakes in there, but let's hear it first. Again, bass is going to really have to be there. It could be tough. Tell me what you think.